Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting spotting video, we're gonna go ahead and do an experiment in this entire video. So this experiment is gonna be running around a rare hibiscus seed. So I decided to go online and buy a rare hibiscus seed online, and we're gonna go ahead and experiment and see if this seed is truly the flower that it shows. So I'm gonna pop up a photo on the screen on how the flower should look like. I've had suspicions since the beginning of purchasing these seeds, but I wanted to go ahead and test them out and see if they're true to self, because there's so many scammers out there in the garden industry, you won't even believe it. And so I'm trying to help out a little bit by telling you guys the fakes and the truths. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what's gonna be going on in this video, because this video is gonna be part by part. This is gonna be part number 1 to show you guys the first update on the plant, see how it's going, and my thoughts and my entire thought process around this plant. So if you want to know every single detail about this experiment, please stay tuned with us. So Ultimate Gardener, starting off this experiment, so my suspicions around this flower is that the flower might not be real, because the flower looks very edited, and there's so many tricks and hacks out there in this world right now that Photoshop could. So Ultimate Gardener, starting off this experiment, I have suspicions around this flower because in the photo they provide for me to buy these seeds, I already see a spotter that this flower looks like it's been photoshopped. It is very weird colors, and I know that there's multiple different exotic and where. So Ultimate Gardener, starting off this experiment, so there's so many things that I would like to cover on this video, but I don't want to make this video so long. So of course in the other parts, that's when I'm going to cover it. But I want to go ahead and talk about the photo they provide for when you buy the seeds. This photo looks a bit photoshopped to my personal experience, because I know there's so many hibiscus out there, and there's so many rare varieties out there that they could come in crazy colors like that. And so I'm very, a little bit skeptical about that type of thing, because it looks like it's been edited and stuff like that. And so anything that's been edited, of course, that the scammers could do is edit the photo, make it look like it's real, sell it to you, and then scam you off of money. And so unfortunately, that's what's been happening nowadays. You might be thinking, no, in the garden industry, there's barely any scammers. Unfortunately, there is, because coming off of money of exotic plants, people get a ton of money invested into them if they carry a very rare and exotic plant. And so scammers, like other people, want to go ahead and get that money, and so they want to make flowers look as real as possible, but as rare as possible as well, so you can grab your attention and you can purchase them. And so I decided to buy these seeds to do an experiment and to see what's the outcome, because I know that there could be two outcomes. I could get a regular pink, red, or yellow hibiscus flower, or I could get the true to self blue and pink and purple hibiscus flower. I'm hoping for the second option, because that's what I'm looking for, but of course updates are going to be given here and there. So I'm gonna go ahead and move over to the area where the hibiscus is planted, and we're gonna go ahead and talk about details there. So Ultimate Gardeners, here is the rare hibiscus sproutling. I did transplant this plant because it was in the squash patch over there. As you can see, the squashes are all gone because it was a huge fail on squashes this year, but that's not what the video is about. It's about this. And so I transplanted it here. I decided to go ahead and thin it or pinch it, like some gardeners say, because I wanted to bush out. It looks very leggy right now, and so I wanted to focus it on bushy growth, but the leaves be looking very amazing. The stem isn't the sturdiest, but it is doable. Everything is looking pretty darn good. I transplanted it in water, and it's not wilting the worst right now, and so I'm hoping for the best. This is the area I wanted to grow in, and so I'm hoping for the best. I'm definitely going to give you guys updates here and there on how this turns out. So let me go ahead and wrap it up for you guys. So my gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. I'm very excited to see that I finally succeeded in growing a hibiscus seed. But of course, the garden's always a working process. And so I'm definitely going to give you guys updates here and there on once I see something happening with the seedling. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.